what it looks like when they damn near fall all the way off is that right there. That's kind of what you're dealing with. You've got this bar in here. Turning. Not a girl. I mashed my fingers off. You know, it's very hot. Hey guys, welcome to Off-Road Recon. My name is Ben, and here on this channel we do a couple of things. We love to go out, we love to film, we love to do episodes, we love to travel, and we love to put all that together and put a lot of work together and make you an awesome episode. But since YouTube, we have to follow these algorithms, we also got to show you cool things, how to maintain your Jeep, maintain your trucks, maintain your vehicles, work on things. So today we've got a little small project, but I know that it's something people have issues with. So come on in here and we'll tell you what it's about. If you've ever had a Jeep Wrangler and you have this problem with your visors when they flip-flop around after you've had them for a while, you'll notice these visors have a little piece of rubber in here that starts deteriorating and coming off. You can see this one's just pulling off. And what it looks like when they damn near fall all the way off is that right there. That's kind of what you're dealing with. You've got this bar in here. So you can order these handy dandy little kits here. We'll put it in our description so you know where to buy them. Comes with some lube and a couple of these new little plastic / rubber pieces. So today we're going to replace these, make our visors stick up to the roof again so they're not bouncing down in your field of view. And it actually looks like a pretty simple install. So you've got your rod here, and it says just pry these apart just enough for that rod to come out. There's your rod. And I've seen a lot of install videos where they take this apart and take that apart. I don't know what they're doing. Like, you don't have to do all that. You can bend your visor out to the side, which is made to adjust this way. And I'm questioning, yeah, look, you don't need any of the lube. Slides right in there. So you'll slide your new one in just like that. We've got our new piece on there. No lube necessary, so you can use that for personal use later. And simply put it back into this little U-joint here. Look at that, we got a brand new visor clip. Now, oh, I love it. Secure visor again. Look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna come over to the other side here. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Just pry it apart, and be careful not to break it, or don't put any stress on this. You don't wanna be stressing out your visor over here. Pry it apart, pull your piece out, slide the old junky corroded one off, throw it out in your neighbor's yard, and then slide the new little baby on there. Like so. That's what you should look like. And you want to fit it into the side closest to the mirror first, and then pry out on the other side. Slide it right down into its groove. Boom, you fixed your visor. Look at that. Fit right in there like a champ. It's good and tight again, it's not moving. You got brand new visors for $15.95.
How long have those been broken?
They've been broken for a while. I didn't know it was going to be that easy to fix. As a matter of fact, that made a short video. But we're going to keep this short and sweet for you, because I know you're probably working on your Jeep right now and you're just trying to figure out how to get these things in there. Now you know. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, check out some of our awesome episodes where we go around and we travel on this Jeep, that truck, our motorhome, our Bronco, any of those. Check it out. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button. And we'll see you in one of our episodes. Thanks for tuning in.